Lung cancer. Lung cancer is most common cancer and the most common cause of cancer death in males, although more women develop breast cancer than lung cancer. Since 1987, women have been dying in larger number from lung cancer than from breast cancer. Who gets lung cancer? Lung cancer can take several years to develop. Cigarette smoking is the most common risk factor for developing lung cancer. Many people exposed to cigarette smoke are some of its components will end up with permanent abnormal changes in their lungs. Because of the cigarette have nicotine, so this cause death and lung cancer. Few differentiation between lung cancer and cancer. Lung cancer, like all cancer, is an uncontrolled proliferation of cells. There are several forms of lung cancer, but the most common and most rapidly increased types are those involving the epithelial cell lining the bronchia and bronchioles. Ordinarily, the lining of those airways consists of two layers of cell. Chronic exposure to irritants causes the number of layers to increase. This is especially apt to happen at faults where the bronchioles branch. Note: a cancer that bang in the lungs and most often occur in people who smoke. Types of cancer. Two major types of lung cancer are non-small lung cancer and small cell lung cancer. Here is a figure of lung cancer. Here is the figure of lung cancer. This is infected this part. This is a cancer. Here is the uncontrolled cell development. So cause cancer, and sometimes this cause death. So here is the bronchioles, and here is bronchiole, and here is trachea. Here is bronchiole. This is infected. So I can saw different figure of the lungs cancer. Here is the lungs cancer, different type. You can see easily. All image of lungs cancer here presented. So you can saw easily. This is a lungs cancer. Here is present lungs cancer, and here is present lung cancer. Here is present lung cancer. This peak here is present lungs cancer, and this peak here and here is present lung cancer, and this peak here and here, this peak here, and this peak here, and this peak here. So many different types of cancer we and you can saw, and after showing we will study what is the causes of lungs cancer. The causes of lungs cancer include smoking, second-hand smoke exposure to certain toxin, and family history. Common symptoms include cough after with blood, chest pain, wheezing and weight loss, fatigue or loss of appetite, weakness, hoarseness, swollen lymph nodes. Causes of lung cancer briefly. Smoking tobacco is the leading risk factor for lung cancer. The risk is more in obtains where they smoke also consume alcohol regularly. So main causes of lungs cancer is smoking tobacco, which is leads risk factor for lungs cancer. Second hand smoke. People who don't smoke but stay with people who smoke around them are equally exposed to the cancer causing agent, although in smaller amounts. And third is family history. People who have smoke in blood relation with lungs cancer are at higher risk. People who have someone in blood relation with lung cancer are at higher risk. If our father is infected to the lungs cancer, so we can maybe find lungs cancer, or we have infected lung cancer. Occultation hazardness are occultation hazards. Exposure to hazardous chemicals in the workplace increase the risk. If you work in chemical factory, so we will infected occultation hazardous. And radiation exposure to radiation like radiation therapy to the chest, specific imaging testing, like if you going diagnostic center and get a radiation exposure, so if you going diagnostic center and do CT scan, sometimes risks of lungs cancer because of radiation of the machine apparatus. And HIV infection is most common for the lungs cancer. People suffering from HIV infection are prone to develop lungs cancer because of the loss of immune system. And air pollution is the most common in the India and other developed countries. Air pollution, people living in cities are more exposed to pollution and are at greater risk of developing lungs cancer. The stage of lungs cancer are previous. We can discuss the two types of stage of lungs cancer: non-smaller lungs cancer and smaller lungs cancer. Staging of lung cancer depends on the types of lung cancer. Non-small lungs cancer has been divided into four main stages: stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3, stage 3A, stage 3B, and stage 4. Means stage 3 is subdivided in two parts: stage 3A and stage 3A. Stage 3A and stage 3B. So discuss stage of the lungs cancer. Non-small lungs cancer divided into four main types: stage 1, cancer being in the lungs but it has not spread outside the lungs. Stage 2, cancer being in the lungs and nearly lymph nodes. Stage 3, cancer is found in the lungs and lymph nodes in the middle of the chest. Stage 3A, cancer is present in the lymph nodes but only on the same side of the chest where cancer initially started growing. Stage 3B, at this stage cancer has spread to lymph nodes above the cellular polar bone are present on the opposite side of the chest. Stage 4, cancer is found in both lungs, in the area around the lungs or in the other organs.